back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make one ingredient no glue slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad from my last week's video is... Also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector and in the comments down below, give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make one ingredient no glue slime. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is any type of thick shampoo. You can use soft soap, Suave, you can even use like hand soap. You guys will also need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. Alright, so I'm first going to get my soap out, and you can use any type of thick soap. My favorite one to use is Suave. I'm going to get adding it into my bowl. Alright, so I added the soap, and I also added a little bit of this Method hand soap, which makes super great no glue slime. And all you have to do for this recipe is mix it up for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. So I'm going to get doing that now. It's like enough mixing, and now it's super foggy, and there's bubbles in here. But you can see that it's like slime already, but it sticks to me, and that's not what I want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator. The fridge, not the freezer. So I'm going to put it into the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours, and every 30 minutes I'm going to take a look at it and mix it up and see if it's working well. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 hours, and here is the soap. It looks pretty watery, which is kind of concerning, but let's see how it turned out. And it looks like it made some type of like slime consistency. I'm not too sure. So I'm going to get mixing this up a little bit and see if that can help. Alright, so I mixed it up for a little bit longer, and here it is. It seems really gooey-like, so I'm going to see how this turned out. And wow, it's super sticky. But it made some sort of goo, which seems really cool for a one ingredient slime. It's just so beyond sticky, as you can tell. But it turned out really cool. Yeah, this was kind of a fail just because it's super sticky, but it made a really cool slime. Like, I can pick it up and stuff, but look how beyond sticky this is. And that's just how no glue slime recipes are at times. You know, sometimes it works great and sometimes it's just sticky. But this turned out really awesome. But it's just beyond sticky. So I'm actually going to put this back into the refrigerator for a little bit. And I'll post the results on my community page on YouTube. But this turned out great. It was kind of a win-win, kind of a not. Just because, you know, it's really sticky, as you can tell. But this was how to make one ingredient no glue slime. But I hope you guys liked this video today. It was a super quick recipe. It was just one ingredient, which is just any type of thick soap, and you just need a bowler plate and a mixing tool. Also, I'm sorry if you hear my bird in the background. But this recipe turned out really awesome. It was a win-win for me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Remember to check out all my social medias, my TikTok, my Etsy. Everything will be linked in the description box down below. But yeah, remember please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!